Yes, the old Chiffins there, I'll tell you. Why he's so fine, I'll tell you. As I said, we're looking for legal evidence now of what these people have said. Under the freedom of information, we're asking for this, for these points, these legal points that this guy brought up at the meeting. As I said, I wasn't there, so I would like to look at these legal points and pass them on to the appropriate people who know more about things as me. As I said, we know we're innocent. We've got evidence here, photographs, we've got people who saw them, there's referees can vouch for them. There's all sorts of evidence we have. We've had teams in our league that's verified it, they recognised them. You know, people, you know, they think they can get away with telling lies about people. But, you know, there's always witnesses. They never interviewed any witnesses. They only spoke to me and the secretary, and as I said, they never called us liars, they never disputed the fact of what was said. And that's what the lawyer said. You know, you didn't dispute that evidence, so why could he come to the conclusions that you did? There was no reason behind it all. But I'm afraid to say that's the way the SRU are. You know, you do as because they run the game, they're the guardians of the game, they just make it up as they go along. Everything to suit themselves. Anyways, we're going on with a bit of, who is it we're going on with? We've gone on with the fortunes. You've got your troubles and we've got yours. I'll tell you. Yes, we've got our troubles. You're listening to Brick FM, and you're listening to the man himself, the man with the troubles, Dave the Brick.
You've got your troubles, I've got mine. She's found somebody else to take your place. You've got your troubles, I've got mine.